How does unemployment work in the USA? Losing your job can be overwhelming, but if you're in the United States, unemployment benefits are designed to help you stay financially afloat while you search for your next opportunity. So, how does unemployment actually work in the US? Who qualifies? How do you apply? And how much can you expect to receive? Let's break it all down clearly and simply. What is unemployment insurance? Unemployment insurance, or UI, is a state-run program that provides temporary cash payments to workers who've lost their job through no fault of their own. It's not a handout, it's a benefit funded through employer-paid taxes. Think of it as a financial safety net to cover your basic needs while you look for a new job. But here's the key. Each state runs its own unemployment system, which means eligibility, benefit amounts, and application processes can vary. Who can qualify for unemployment? To be eligible, you generally need to meet a few common requirements. You must have lost your job involuntarily, for example, due to layoffs or a company shutdown. You must have worked a minimum number of weeks or earned a certain amount during a specific period, called the base period. You must be physically able and available to work and actively seeking employment. Quitting a job voluntarily or being fired for misconduct usually disqualifies you, although there are exceptions, such as quitting due to unsafe working conditions or harassment. How do you apply? The application process usually starts online through your state's unemployment website. You'll need your social security number, details about your last employer, the reason you're no longer employed, and your employment history for the past 12 to 18 months. Once submitted, your claim is reviewed and you'll receive a determination letter letting you know if you've been approved and how much you'll receive. How much money can you get? Benefits vary by state, but typically unemployment pays about 40 to 60% of your previous wages, up to a weekly maximum. For example, in California, the max is $450 per week. In New York, it's $504 per week. In Florida, it's just $275 per week. Benefits are usually paid for up to 26 weeks, although some states offer fewer weeks, and during national emergencies, the federal government may extend benefits. How do you keep getting paid? Once approved, you don't just sit back and wait for checks. You must certify weekly or bi-weekly. This means answering questions to confirm you're still unemployed and actively looking for work. You may also be required to submit proof of job applications, attend re-employment assistance programs, and report any income from part-time work. If you skip a certification or don't meet your obligations, your payments could be delayed or stopped altogether. Are unemployment benefits taxable? Yes, unemployment income is considered taxable at the federal level and possibly at the state level too. You can choose to have taxes withheld from your payments automatically or pay them later when you file your annual return. Final thoughts. Unemployment benefits can be a lifeline while you're between jobs, but the system isn't automatic. You have to understand your state's rules, stay active in your job search, and follow all certification steps carefully. And remember, this support is meant to help you transition, not stay stuck. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a like and tell us in the comments. Have you ever filed for unemployment? What tips would you share with others going through the same process? Your experience might make someone else's journey a little easier.